Hey everyone, it's Kimberly Shipley. I just came back from Food Line. I got a little grocery haul and I got some really good savings. So I wanted to share this with you and do a little grocery haul. And this comes from Food Line where I live at. And I did get one thing from stopped at Dollar Tree and got one thing that was probably a little cheaper there. But yes, this is some good savings at Food Line. I caught a manager special. And so anyway, I just want to get on here and share this with y'all. So first, of course, hey, we're not perfect eaters, so please don't comment about what we eat and all that. And hey, I'm a mom. I'll let my son, of course, I got some cold drinks because we was out. Got a bag of baked lace. Me and Caleb both love baked lace. So, I mean, you know, we got to have them. It's just one of the things. This is one of our go-to snacks. And it does have 65% less in fat. And I'll tell you, Caleb even agrees, these does not taste greasy like regular, let's say, Lay's, potato chips. And these are very, they don't taste greasy. If you've ever had these, leave me in the comments. What do you think? If you've ever ate these, do they taste less greasy to you than a regular Lay's? We think so. So this is our go-to for a snack. All right, this is some good deal right here. I got some drumsticks, chicken, and well, the tag fell off. Where'd that tag go? Anyway, the tag fell off of it, but it's still in date. Let me see if the tag's in here in the bag. Let's see. Because I really wanted to share that with y'all. I've got several in there. Drumsticks. There it is. The tag stuck to the bag, so I want to hard to get it off. Look there, y'all. Manager special. $2.87. And this has got 5 pounds of chicken legs. And I'm gonna cook some tonight, freeze the rest of them, of course, in individual bags. But today's October 20th. I gotta freeze it by tomorrow. So $2.97 for a 5-pound bag of chicken legs. Come on now, you can't beat that. That's gonna make several meals for us. And again, I'm gonna freeze it. Hi, Teddy. Teddy's sitting there looking at me. Got a half a gallon of whole milk. Food Line brand. Some good old Idaho potatoes. The Hidden Valley Ranch in it. Caleb likes these potatoes. This is the only potatoes I can get him to eat. And if you're new to my channel, I'm very sorry, I'm hoarse. But hey, I still want to get on here and do this grocery haul for y'all guys. Now these are cute. These was $1.99. They're 4-pack, which is just, if you're not aware, it's just me and my 9-year-old son with it. We're the only ones here. So I didn't want to get something that could go bad quick. So I got the smaller size. So these are going to go with our supper tonight. And so, yeah, they're only 4 in here, but that way they won't go bad. They're cheaper priced and they won't go bad. So if you're a small family, that's a good idea. And they just, for example, put these chicken legs, some of them in the freezer. That's going to be 2 or 3 more meals probably for us. I'll see when I actually start dividing it out to see how many meals that chicken will make. I'm going to cook us 4 pieces tonight. And so anyway, yeah. So I kind of have to think of meal buying for only 2 people. Me as an adult and my 9-year-old son, which is a child. All right. This is chunky salsa mild dip tortillas. Hey, this is my big go-to snack lately. So yeah, that and some, which I've got chips in here already. So yeah, got that. Very good. some cornstarch, Food Line brand. That'll go for that's going to help with the chicken. Some Food Line small bag. It's only 2 pound, but it's enough to do me a little bit of flour. Self-rising flour. And I haven't had one of these in a while. So this is a Food Line brand, salt and pepper shaker set. I haven't bought a set of salt and pepper shakers in a while. So I wanted to go ahead and get this. And that way, I've got a big thing, but it's more easier when you have it, individually. And we don't use a lot of salt, but I will need it, for example, like the chicken and a few things. If you cook an egg or something, a little pepper to jazz up the taste a little bit. But anyway, yeah, so I've been needing these, and I'm like, I need to get a thing. And while I was getting the flour and stuff, which was next to this area, I thought, I need to get a salt and pepper shaker. So I'll set these up there. And then the last thing I bought, I stopped at Dollar Tree. Got some Golden Chef, I guess that's their brand, vegetable oil, which I'm going to use that with the chicken. Some of it I may do something different. But for this, what I'm planning on baking tonight, I'll need the vegetable oil. So anyway, I need to stop and get some of that. So I did. I got this at Dollar Tree. It was $1.25, which I think at Food Line it's almost $3. So a big savings to do there. I think total for everything I spent $28, which ain't bad. I mean, this right here is basically $3 for that chicken. And that's going to be a few meals, I'll know when I can start getting into it more and separating it. And I'll do that in a little while. Because for supper tonight, I'm going to cook us chicken and stuff. So anyway, I wanted to just get on here and do this small grocery haul for y'all. And anyway, we'll be doing more grocery hauls on my channel. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do Walmart grocery hauls. I do mobile home cleaning. Sometimes I even do door dashing videos. I'm a little everywhere videos, but I even do a cooking video. So anyway, my name's Kimberly, and I'm from South Central Kentucky. And so please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. It helps get my video out there. And leave a comment. At least say hi. What state you're from. Or you like my groceries. But anyway, y'all have a great day. And thank you for joining me for this little grocery haul from Food Line. Thank you.